guys, we are back with the 718 Porsche Cayman GT4. Now, we know this car is incredible out on track. But what is it like the other 99% of the time? So a quick recap of the facts and figures. Now we have a flat 6, 420 brake horsepower, 420 newton meters torque, manual, giving us a 0-60 time of 4.4 seconds. Now it's rear wheel drive, mid-engine, so the perfect recipe for a good sports car. Now to stop this 1.4 ton car, we have 6 piston brakes on the front and 4 on the rear. You also get Porsche adaptive dampers and chassis to make sure it'll handle perfect on the road and on the track. Now this little frozen berry can start from £78,000. Now this does have the Club Sport as well as some other additional extras, meaning it comes in at £97,000. Worth it in my eyes. And once you got over the bucket seats, inside is Porsche luxury as expected. You've got little touches of frozen berry here, there and everywhere. Now you have things like aircon, Bose sound system, all the mod cons that you need. You get sat nav, Apple CarPlay, even heated seats. But you may have the mod cons for the road, but you don't lose out on anything from the track. Although there are no rear seats, you do get a 150 litre Frunk. Plenty of storage. Basics covered, let's do the important test. We quickly established it was quite easy to do the shopping in the GT4 and plenty of room for all what you need. But more importantly, so we're going to attempt to drive through, and as many people know, Mackie's drive-throughs are usually quite forgiving, and we have chosen the tightest one humanely possible, with speed bumps. God save me right now. Can I get 2 Smarty McFlurries, please?
Anything goes through?
That's it, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at this bit, Laura. Oh my God, can you watch my left-hand side, please?
Yeah, you got loads of room.
Oh. Yeah. Stressful. I deserve this McFlurry right now. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, it's the fact I can't see. Oh my God, a Mustang's going through. I feel sorry for him. We made it. We made it through, Laura.
Thank God.
We did it. No curved wheels and even 2 cup holders. Happy days. Now we've got the important things out the way and we are fed and ready to go. Let's see a little bit more about how it drives on day-to-day life on the roads. We all know this car isn't necessarily built for the quickest of lap times, and that does follow through onto the road because it's all about fun and involvement, which yes, we saw at Brands Hatch, but on a spirited drive as well, you have a lot of fun. The GT4, although being rear-wheel drive and a lot of power, it's a very forgiving and trusting car. The Porsche traction management system is really, really clever, so even the most simplest of drivers can put down a lot of confidence on this, even on the roads. And the important thing to remember is the GT4 is designed as a race car that is then put on the road, so it's guaranteed to handle well on track, and the rest of it, we make do. Now we're cruising on the motorway, it is really easy to live with. We've popped it into 6th gear, although there is a little bit of engine noise, I am not complaining by that. The seats, although difficult to get in and out with, are super comfortable once you're snuggled in, because they really do hold you in place, which means I think a long journey in this is actually, you're not going to have any broken backs. With the suspension and the dampers, you do have an option to put it into comfort or sport. Now, of course, if you're going on the track, it's going to be straight into sport, but just for a comfortable drive like this, it's soaking up all the bumps. So again, no broken backs here. On the UK roads with the lovely speed limit of 70, you're not going to be finding the red line other than 1st gear, which means sometimes it isn't going to give you all of the performance, which is why this car is so special, because You can live with it day to day. You can do things like your McDonald's drive-through, your shopping, but you can unleash it on that track day and have so much fun and learn this new capability that you won't find on the road.
And it just begs to be driven hard and rewards you when you do.
And the nice thing with having that power under your foot means not only can you have a lot of fun on your Sunday afternoon drives, you can get out of things like sticky situations because you've always got enough power to get you there. And even though it is rear-wheel drive, this thing will hunker down and pin you forwards.
We meant pin you back, but let's ignore that and carry on.
And if you're someone like me that absolutely loves a manual, you will not be disappointed by this. It is super easy to live with, even has auto blip, which means you can do things like this without going crazy.
The rear-wheel drive and mid-engine combo with a manual box is just there for driver engagement and involvement. You feel everything through the car and you are in complete control, with a massive smile on your face.
And I definitely would be more than happy to daily this car. You will be a little bit concerned in things like multi-storey car parks and if you're leaving it overnight somewhere a little bit rough, but just like any performance car, you just have that little bit extra attention and care. And the thing is, we can quite happily cruise here, no issues at all. Well, I know as soon as I take it on track, I don't need to do a single thing and it's going to outperform most things. And with a mixture of fun and motorway journeys, we got 27.2 mpg. Do you know what? That isn't bad. And now it's time to say goodbye to the Frozen Berry for the second time, and I am absolutely gutted. I love this thing. I would definitely have one of these, and I think that pretty much sums it up. You can get it through a Mackey's drive-through. Granted, it's scary, and you can blast it round Brands Hatch. So there you have it, guys. You know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!